Hello everybody, Robert Reid with Butler Street here for your weekly tip or trick. This one's kind of an interesting one, but it's one I think about from time to time, hear about from time to time, and that's when someone has like thousands of emails in their inbox. To which like my skin begins to crawl and I get really nervous and sweaty because I'm like, what? Why do you have so many emails in your inbox? The reason I get concerned or nervous about that is like, I start thinking, well, what happens when that important email enters an inbox with thousands of emails in it? I just don't know how people manage that. How often do things just slip through the cracks or not get replied to or attended to? It makes me nervous. My inbox right now has 5 emails in it because I use my inbox like a to-do list. If something is in my inbox, that means I need to tend to it, address it, resolve it, whatever it is. As soon as I handle whatever that issue is, whatever that email is, I delete it out of there. Task complete. Now, if you have thousands of emails in your inbox and things are slipping through the cracks, then you probably need to clear out that inbox and treat it like a to-do list. So, unsubscribe from things, block emails that you don't need, non-urgent, non-important emails that you should probably still save, like create a folder for those. Create rules where things just get sent to folders left and right. Your inbox should be nice and tidy. Use it like a to-do list. I don't know. Some of you might have thousands of emails and you do just fine, but I gotta imagine some of you out there just have way too much stuff in your inbox. So, an adjustment you could consider. That's your weekly tip or trick. Clean it up, people. Clean it up. See you next time. Bye.